Welcome to Product Critique, and today we're looking at what might just be the best sun protection hat for outdoor adventures. The Top X Cooling Sun Hat with neck flap and wide brim, built for hiking, fishing, gardening, camping, and more. If you spend a lot of time outdoors and want the ultimate mix of comfort, cooling, and sun protection, this one's worth your attention. Let's start with what makes this hat special. The Top X Cooling Sun Hat uses advanced instant cooling technology that doesn't even require water. The fabric used in the sweatband, crown, and inner neck flap has a contact cooling effect that helps lower the temperature the moment it touches your skin. So whether you're hiking under the hot sun or working in your garden, you get that instant cool sensation and stay comfortable all day long. The material itself is premium. The main body of the hat is made from 100% cooling nylon, while the neck flap lining, waist strap, and sweatband are a moisture-wicking and anti-UV blend of nylon and spandex. That means it's breathable, quick-drying, and built to handle intense heat without sticking or feeling heavy. Now, let's talk about sun protection. This hat is UPF 50+ certified, blocking up to 98% of harmful UVA and UVB rays. The wide brim measures about 3.1 inches, giving you full coverage for your face and ears, while the 9.4-inch neck flap shields your neck from sunburn. Combined, these features make it a great option for hiking trails, fishing trips, or even long walks at the beach. One small but thoughtful touch is the toggle closure. It's easy to adjust and keeps the hat secure, even when the wind picks up. And because it's lightweight and breathable, it doesn't trap heat inside, which is a big plus for anyone spending long hours outdoors. Care is simple. The hat is hand wash only, so you can just rinse it out after your adventures and let it air dry. It's imported and built with durable materials that maintain their cooling and UV blocking properties over time. From a design perspective, the hat looks sleek and functional. The light khaki color gives it a versatile, outdoor-ready look that fits both men and women. It's available in multiple sizes, from medium-large to extra large, which means it's suitable even for people with larger head sizes. What really sets the Top X apart from other outdoor hats is how it balances protection, comfort, and innovation. Many sun hats require water to activate cooling, but this one works instantly. It's also lightweight yet sturdy enough to keep its shape, even in breezy conditions. If you're planning an outdoor hike, a fishing day, or even a camping trip in peak summer, this hat could easily become one of your essential pieces of gear. It protects you from the harsh sun, keeps you cool, and feels comfortable hour after hour. That's a full look at the Top X Cooling Sun Hat with neck flap, a practical, high-performance choice for anyone serious about sun protection and comfort outdoors. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest breakdowns of the best gear and products for your adventures.